Hello Holochain developer community, this is Paul. You probably know me from such smash hits as the Holochain Dev Pulse blog and that What is Holochain Explainer video. I would like to invite you to an online developer training course coming up in March, and yes, I'm reading from notes right now. Marcus Phillips and his team will be taking a small cohort of Rust developers through a 4-day intensive to get to a point where they feel equipped to build real, actual Holochain apps. Marcus is a pretty skilled teacher. He co-founded Hack Reactor, which is a software engineering school that apparently has an amazing track record of preparing developers for the real world. Now, I want to share what my experience was like during the in-person version of this course last July and why it feels like a worthwhile thing over, say, a free self-paced course. While I was there helping out, I got to shadow the course, and during that course I finally understood things that had been a huge struggle for me up to that point. Now, what happened? Well, I think it was the format, specifically two things. The first is that every new piece of knowledge is small, and it builds on top of something that you already completely understand. So it comes in these digestible chunks that are easy to put together into a complete mental model. Now, that's all well and good if you actually do completely understand each point. And if you don't, you can get left behind pretty quickly. So the other thing that Marcus does that I really love is he creates generous room for questions. In fact, he doesn't like even moving to the next point until everybody's satisfied that they've asked every single question that they need to ask. Now, that can feel a bit uncomfortable at first, and it also seems like it would slow things down, but instead, what happens is that everybody ends up helping each other in their understanding, and nobody gets left behind, and that lets the course move smoothly. Now, obviously, this requires commitment to that process, but the end result is that you come out feeling equipped to start building Holochain applications right away. Now, I did not feel equipped by the end, but that's partly because I was cooking food for everybody. But it was pretty cool to see all the apps that the others did create. There are some pretty fun and silly and imaginative projects. And I like to think that my famous chicken soup helped out just a little bit. Now, here are some more details. It's for developers who already know Rust. There is a $100 deposit, but that's fully refundable. There are scholarships available, so just ask. The training is from March 9th to March 12th, 10:30 a.m. to 6:30 p.m. Eastern Time every day, followed by a build weekend on the 18th and 19th. So, how do you apply? First, join the dev.hc Discord. If you're not already a part of it, you can find a link on holochain.org. And once you're in there, look for the Dev Training channel. From there, follow the links to fill out an application, and then we'll schedule a call with you as soon as we can. Space is limited to about 15 people, and we want to find the right people who are just ready to throw themselves into this training and start building applications. We hope to see you there.